Alright, here's my first reveal of the new bike. It's a 2016 SSR150R. When I bought it, this fender's all busted up, like as you can see. I mean, it'd been wrecked. Crack there too. And it's got an open air filter, which I don't really care for too much. And as you can see up in here, the air box was busted when the guys wrecked it, I guess. Electric start or kick start. I like that too about it. Brakes are actually pretty good on this bike, to be honest. Stock bars, I was thinking to change the bars, but these bars feel really good. I'm gonna get a different pad, graphic kit, new tire for the rear. That one's getting a little wore down. Might do a fresh chain, and we'll get an oil change in it. But yeah, probably gonna change the seat cover too. Get one of the gripper seats for it. But yeah, I'm gonna start up for y'all with kickstart and electric start, switching over to the GoPro. On this bike, you got your key is placed right here. Okay, so I'll start up first electric start. Electric start, you have to turn the key to where it says on. And then for kickstart, it looks like a headlight piece over here. I know y'all can't see it, but you'll know if you get this bike. So you can start them up in neutral, or you know, start them up in gear, but you have to have the clutch pulled in, of course. So here's now I do a kickstart. Really, they're really easy to kickstart. Fourth gear right there. I did forget to mention this: 1 down, 4 up. Runs really good. I'd say on power wise, if somebody's looking to buy one of these, but you know can't really tell how good they run, I'd say it runs about like an 80 cc 2-stroke, or probably like a stock one. So that suits me. I mean, I'd go for more power. I'm gonna get a gearing change and stuff, but I mean, you got really easy low RPM just to ride around like this, you know. And then if you want to really crank it out, you got some good. Since summer's coming up, I'm planning on doing a whole lot more videos. But last summer I did, and the summer before I didn't do any videos, but I don't know why. I seem like I slack off in the summertime when it comes to making videos. I cannot ride a bike like I can a 4-wheeler. That's one reason I went with a bike. You know, I sold the 400X, and I'm selling 2 go-karts. I got another one. I don't know, my go-kart videos aren't really the hit on my channel. I will take y'all back here and show y'all what it'll do on a hill. So I'm gonna take y'all up that trail right there. It's a good hill to open them up on. I'll show y'all how much power it'll make going uphill. So I'll go down to the bottom, look at it a little bit more, then we'll climb it. Yeah, so here's the hill. I mean, it's not real steep, but kind of rough. Got some whoops in it. I'm just gonna show y'all what the little bike will do heading uphill. Fourth gear. I was actually a little surprised it got that. It pulled that hard in fourth. I really just can't ride a bike like I can a 4-wheeler. I'm not bad on a bike, but a whole lot better on a 4-wheeler. About first gear, if you want to do like the little foot down like wheelies people do on pit bikes. Ride those however long you want. That's the best you want to do. Well, I tried to get third there. try that another time. Honestly, if you buy them stock, wheelies, I guess it depends on how good you are. Me, I'm gonna want to change my gearing because I'm having a little trouble, you know, holding it when I shift into third. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna get y'all some more videos out on this. Probably next video on this bike be like a good trail edit, like some wheelies, like I did with the 420, like on the side. I kinda like doing those videos, you know, they're fun to shoot and stuff, so yeah. Be ready for next video. The next video will be a 300 Honda video, but the next video on this should be trail-side camera, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, any other questions, comment down below, or you want to just leave me some good feedback, go ahead. Thanks for watching.